takeoff and basic operations. After the calibration is completed, place the UAV in the outdoor open field and the UAV will automatically search for satellites. When the remote control beeps one time, the indicator light will be always on, meaning the satellites are found. Before taking off, the signal index needs to be greater than 7. Move the lever to the left and right with wave-out gesture to unlock the UAV. Push the throttle lever up to take off. Pull it down to land. Push the steering lever up to move forward. Pull it down to retreat. Push it right to fly to the right. Push it left to fly to the left. Push the throttle lever to the left to make a left turn. Push it to the right to make a right turn. Push it up to fly up. Push it down to fly down. Long press the geomagnetic calibration key for 5 seconds to stop.